So start small, one room at a time. Don't get overwhelmed. Today we're talking all about decluttering and organizing tips for home sellers. And I can tell you, a clean and organized home isn't just more inviting. It actually helps you sell for faster and more money. So why declutter? When buyers walk in, they want to picture themselves living in your space and they don't want to be distracted by your stuff. So decluttering makes your home feel bigger, brighter, and just more welcoming. So start small, one room at a time. Don't get overwhelmed. Focus on one area like the entryway or a bedroom before moving on to the next room. And set aside maybe 1 hour a day and you'll be amazed at how fast you can progress. And just sort as you go. As you organized, create 3 piles or label with 3 different colored dots. Keep this, donate this, trash this. This keeps you efficient and helps you see what you really need to store or what you need to move. So some key spaces to tackle: the entryway. Remove extra shoes, coats, pet gear, because first impressions matter. And in the kitchen, clear countertops, remove fridge magnets, tidy the drawers, because a clutter-free kitchen is gonna sell your home. And next is the living room. Pack away most of your decor and personal photos, because less is more. Let buyers imagine how their life is gonna be living here. And in the bedrooms, make the beds daily, clear the nightstands, open up the closet space. Buyers are gonna peek inside, so show off all that roomy storage. And that moves me right into closets. Don't just hide stuff in there. Buyers check that storage, so keep closets organized and only about 80% full. Some pro tips: pack up what you won't need until after the move. Think off-season clothes, extra linens, personal keepsakes. Remove excess furniture to make the rooms feel more spacious. And keep surfaces like the kitchen, bath, and dressers all clear and clean. Then establish daily habits. Make the beds, do the dishes, keep the laundry under control. This is gonna make showings a breeze. For the final walkthrough, once you've decluttered, walk through your home like a buyer. If anything distracts you from the space itself, it's time to pack it away. Remember, decluttering isn't just about selling, it's making your move easier too. I'm Shannon Ellison, here to educate and navigate, not speculate and fabricate. And if you need help prepping your home for sale, reach out to me anytime. Let's get you the best results possible.